Yo, what is up, squad? It's me, I'm back. It's currently raining here, and I thought it would be a great time to go for a run. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Probably gonna go for like 5 miles, hopefully. We're here at Murray Park. It's one of my favorite places to run, so let's get after it. Let's go. All right, we're going. I just have to say, don't wait for the perfect time to go for what you want. You gotta, as soon as you know you want it, you just gotta go. Yeah. All right, so I'm about 2 miles in. Each lap I do around the path is about a half a mile. So yeah, I'm debating if I want to do like five miles or if I want to call it at 4 and then go do some hill sprints. Those are fun. All right, I'll see you when I decide. Also, it stopped drizzling for now, but it's still really gray. So, all right, I just hit 4 miles and it's starting to rain again. I've decided I'm going for 5, and we're gonna do those hill sprints because gotta push myself. Let's get it. All right, 5 miles down, ran at about a 7:30 average pace, which I'm actually really stoked about. I was feeling pretty good today. Yeah, so it's raining decent now. I don't know if that's gonna show up on camera, but you can tell I'm pretty wet now. So I'm gonna take a break and then try the hill sprints. We'll see how that goes. But one thing I did want to talk about, I have an announcement. I signed up for my very first marathon. It's a Salt Lake City marathon. It's happening April 20th. So I'm about 6 months out. So plenty of time to prepare. I ran my first half marathon about a month before I started this channel. That's why I didn't talk about it. I ran that in about an hour 58. My goal is sub 2 hours, so barely squeezed that in. And I'm going for sub 4 hours on the marathon. I think that's a good goal. But honestly, we'll see once I get seriously training for it. And see if I could go faster or if I should honestly just finishing it. So it sounds like a pretty good goal. So yeah, that's the announcement. When it comes time and prep starts, that'll be the majority of the videos, I think. And I think that'll be interesting. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a quick breather and then we'll go try and run up that hill. All right, so I'm gonna go for about 10, I think. Just sprint up and jog down. Let's go. It's slippery. All right, workout is complete. Those hill sprints, they got me a little bit for sure. it's a good way to just get every last drop out of the tank. But feeling really good. Yeah, I'm really stoked on the run today. That was definitely my fastest 5 mile run so far. So, yeah, pretty stoked. I might film like some of my post-run stretching and exercise. And then I think that'll about do it for the video. So, sick. All right, so this first exercise, I don't really know the name of it or anything. I'll just kind of show you. But it's working this muscle, the one that runs along your shin, the tibulus anterior, I think is the name of it. We'll do probably 3 sets of 10. Faster contraction and a slow controlled eccentric, just like most exercises. So yeah. And the further you move your feet away from the wall, the harder it is. All right, next up is a squat variation. The movement is feet planted firmly on the ground, about shoulder width. You get into a deep squat, then you roll the knees over, making your shins parallel with the ground. From there, you're getting out of the squat. My heel's still off the ground at this point. Squat from here, shins parallel to the ground, roll back into that deep squat, and push out. So all of that together is one single rep. This one we'll probably do 3 sets of 5. Yeah, good one. I really like it. Checking in on the knees, good for balance. And then now we'll get into just some stretching. All right, so the little bounce and stretch session is done. The exercises where I did sets, I only filmed 1 set. I figured probably wouldn't want to see every set. It would be kind of boring. And you get the idea from one. So yeah, pretty good day. yeah, I'm like 6 months out from the marathon, but I'm already getting excited for it. Excited to start training. Um, for now, it's just keeping the stoke high on it, staying motivated, just trying to still get into better shape, without that specific goal in mind yet. But yeah, we'll get there. And sweet. Yeah, I think that'll wrap up the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next Thursday. I don't know if I mentioned, but the upload schedule is going to be every Thursday. That's my goal. So yeah, peace.